Hello everyone. In the last video, already I have discussed some conceptual things of the chapter circle. Now here we going to start some problems about this chapter. Okay. Before starting the problems, here we recall all the important points which is already discussed in the last video. These important points are upload as a PDF file which is available in your WhatsApp group as well as in Google Classroom. Now, before starting this problem, the three things are so important in the point. First one is what you have to read the question properly. Generally, তোমাৰ যিবিলাক straight line হওক conic sectional question দিয়া থাকে সেই question বিলাক student বিলাকে given part to identify কৰোঁতে কেতিয়াবা complicated হয় তাৰমানে complicacy আহে সেইকাৰণে সদায় কি কৰিবা read the question properly question টো পঢ়ি চাবা এবাৰ next recall all the important points of the given topic to যিখিনি important points সেই points খিনি এবাৰ recall কৰি চাবা problem কেইটা কৰাৰ আগত আৰু কেতিয়াবা তোমাৰ কি হয় তোমাৰ generally তোমাৰ MCQ বিলাক 4 অপচন দিয়া থাকে তোমাৰ verify method কৰি পেলাই verification কৰি পেলাই তেতিয়া তাৰ চাৰিটা অপচনৰ ভিতৰত কোনটো কাৰেক্ট অপচন you can choose it হেকিটা চুজ কৰিব পাৰা এতিয়া আমি এবাৰ ৰিকল কৰিব বিচাৰিছো যিখিনি বস্তু অলৰেডি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিলো এবাৰ চাই লোৱা ফাৰ্স্ট আছিলে তোমাৰ ইকুৱেচন অফ what circle passing through origin equation of circle what passing through origin এতিয়ালে দুটা ফৰ্ম আছিল এটা প্যাৰামেট্ৰিক ফৰ্ম আছিল আৰু এটা তোমাৰ আছিল this one আৰু next one is what center not at origin হলে এটো ফৰ্মত আহিব এটো হৈছে তোমাৰ প্যাৰামেট্ৰিক ফৰ্ম and next second degree general equation to asle this one the second degree general equation will represent a general equation of a circle if it satisfy first condition that is the pair of straight line or condition asle tumar and second one is what coefficient of x square and y square both are equal and coefficient of xy must be equal to 0 if it satisfy these three condition the given second degree general equation may be represent the general equation of a circle okay next the general equation of a circle is this one if it's from the second degree equation here tomar is radius part to dia ache root over g square plus f square minus c this part is greater than equal to 0 this part is so important the kitaba tomar unknown dia thakibo pare c dibo pare unknown f dibo pare and for what value of c the given equation represent the equation of a circle তেতিয়া হলে তোমাৰ এই inequality condition through দি তোমাৰ unknown to value উলিয়াব লাগিব okay next equation of a circle when n points of diameters are given তেতিয়া হলে এটো হ'ব equation to আৰু that is the center of the circle and equation of a circle any 2 points this one on the circle are given যদি তোমাৰ circle to যিকোনো দুটা পইণ্ট দিব পাৰে আৰু কেতিয়াবা তোমাৰ chord ডালৰ n points কিটা দিব পাৰে তেতিয়া হলে তাত ইকুৱেচন টো উলিয়াবলৈ is the standard form ইউজ কৰিম আমি lambda is a parameter that lambda value to generally তোমাৰ plus minus cot of theta আহে cot of theta to তাৰ angle represent কৰিব তোমাৰ মই অলৰেডি মই ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো ভিডিও টোত ওকে এখানে প্যাৰামিটাৰ হিচাপে আমি ইউজ কৰিছো next equation of circle passing through this one a0 0 b 0 0 this one তেতিয়া হলে তোমাৰ ইয়াৰ c যদি কাৰ মাজে হৈছে তোমাৰ অৰিজিনৰ মাজে পাস হোৱাৰ লগে লগে c ভ্যালু 0 হ'ব ডেফিনেটলি আৰু এটা এটা x ইন্টাৰসেপ্ট এটা কি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে y ইন্টাৰসেপ্ট তাৰ পৰা সেন্টাৰটো তুমি পাই যাবা next if the lines this one and this one cut the coordinate axis for concyclic points concyclic point means what tomar x axis আৰু y axis ৰ এই দুটা লাইনে ইন্টারসেক্ট কৰিছে ইন্টারসেক্ট কৰাৰ লগে 4 পইণ্টস পাবা সেই 4 পইণ্টছৰ মাজে এটা তোমাৰ সাৰ্কেল পাস হৈছে সেই সাৰ্কেলটোৰ ইকুৱেচনটো এটো ইকুৱেচন আহিব okay our next if the abscissa and the ordinates of 2 points a and b of the roots of ax square plus b1 x plus c1 equal to 0 eto eta dia ase aru next one is what ordinate dalar equation or roots to eto equation represent koribo second to aru abscissa equation to first equation represent koribo then the equation of the circle describe ab as diameter tamane he a aru b দুটা পয়েন্ট জয়েন কৰাৰ পিছত এটা ডায়ামিটাৰ পাবা এটা তাৰ এই ইকুৱেচন অফ দি সাৰ্কেলটো কি হ'ব তোমাৰ এটো okay next equation of family of circle touching the both coordinate axis এই দুইডাল কোঅৰ্ডিনেট এক্সিসত যদি হি টাচ কৰে তোমাৰ ৰেডিয়াস টো ডেফিনেটলি a আহি যাব আৰু পয়েন্ট গিটাও তোমাৰ এটা প্লাস a মাইনাস a according to this তোমাৰ কোয়াড্ৰেন্ট মতে আহিব এখানে মই প্লাস মাইনাস a লিখিছো next equation of circle passing through originৰ মাজৰ পাৰ হলে c ভ্যালু মাস বি 0 হ'ব এটো পাৰ্ট পাই গলা ইয়াৰ পৰা next intercept form if the circle this one cuts x axis then x intercept is what twice of root over g square minus c if g square minus c is greater than 0 then the circle intersect exactly 2 points on x axis this point is so important te kiteba tomar enukwa c ba g value tomar unknown dia thakibo pare for what value of c the given circle intersect exactly 2 points on x axis তেতিয়াহলে এই কন্ডিশনটোৰ থ্ৰু দি তুমি কি উলিয়াব লাগিব তাৰ unknown constant value উলিয়াব লাগিব this point is so important similarly second one also next if the circle this one touches x axis if g square equal to c তাৰ মানে যদি তোমাৰ x intercept 0 হৈ যায় তাৰ মানে টাচ কৰিব সার্কেলটো তেতিয়াহলে ডেফিনেটলি কন্ডিশনটো কি হ'ব g square minus c equal to 0 g square equal to c আহিব similarly এটোটো তোমাৰ একটা procedure আহিব if the circle x square plus y square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0 touches both the axis দুইটা axisত টাচ কৰিলে g square equal to f square equal to c এটো already I have discussed আৰু তোমাৰ এটো আহিলে তোমাৰ circle this one passes to origin and center lies on the x axis যদি x axis লাইজ কৰে আৰু কোড টাচ কৰিছে কার মাজৰে পাস হৈছে তোমাৰ অৰিজিন মাজৰ হলে c to 0 হ'ব আৰু যদি x axis লাইজ হয় তোমাৰ y কোঅৰ্ডিনেট 0 তাৰ মানে কি হ'ল -f to 0 হৈ যাব সেন্টাৰৰ কোঅৰ্ডিনেট এখানে f টার্মটো ইয়াত নাই সিমিলারলি এটো একটা প্ৰসিডিউৰ গম পালা the position of a point with respect to circle greater than 0 হলে outside equal to 0 হলে on আৰু less than 0 হলে তোমাৰ কি হ'ব inside the circle lies হ'ব আৰু next the particular point center পৰা যদি তোমাৰ maximum বা minimum distance উলিয়াব লাগে হেতু অলৰেডি theoretical part মই ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো that is the result okay now let's start the problem section okay
first one is what the equation of this one lambda square x square this part plus 3 lambda minus 2 into y square minus 8x plus 12y minus 4 equal to 0 will represent a circle if that means they are given this equation represent a circle under what condition first one is what number 1 এটা আসলে তোমার coefficient of x square equal to what coefficient of what y square and next one is what coefficient of xy must be equal to 0 these are the two conditions okay now what is the coefficient of x square from this part you have this one is what lambda square coefficient of y square is equal to what 3 lambda minus 2 okay the from after simplification of this part you have lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 equal to 0 then finally you have lambda equal to 1 and another is what 2 1 is this one and second one the coefficient of xy equal to 0 what is the coefficient of xy lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 4 is equal to 0 if you simplify this one lambda minus 1 into what lambda minus 4 equal to 0 therefore lambda equal to 1 that means from the first condition you have lambda 1 and 2 lambda equal to and second one you have lambda equal to 1 and what 4 okay the common solution is what lambda equal to what 1 okay therefore the answer is what a that is the correct option okay from the second question the center of a circle passing through this one these 3 points are there one is what origin center is at origin and this one is what a0 that means lies on x axis and 0b lies on y axis that means the points are like that okay that is the center that is the origin okay and one point a this one we consider a0 and b point we consider 0b then what is the equation of this circle here c must be equal to 0 if you consider the equation of the circle is what x square plus y square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0 c must be equal to 0 why passing through where origin 0 0 okay passing through the point what 0 0 and one point is what a0 another point is what 0b okay therefore a this one midpoint is what this one is what a by 2 here midpoint is what b by 2 therefore center of the coordinate is what a by 2 comma what b by 2 that is the center then correct option is what b a by 2 comma what b by 2 okay now here you consider another question here 4 distinct points this one and this one 0 0 lie on a circle okay now for what value of k that means you have to find the value of what k Last 3 points is what? 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0. From the last 3 points you have the given circle passing through origin. Okay, this point we consider 0, 0, and this one point we consider 1, 0, and this one we consider 0, 1. This midpoint 1 by 2, this one also 1 by 2, therefore center is what? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. The given circle passing through origin, therefore C must be equal to 0. The equation you have yx square plus y square. Gx, what is the value of g? G center is what? Minus g minus f. What is the value of this part? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. G equal to what? 1 by 2. Therefore you have x square plus y square plus twice gx. C must be equal to 0. Why? The given circle passing through what? Origin. So twice gx means what? G equal to kiman ase tomar? Minus half. G equal to you have minus half, and f equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. Definitely you have this one. That is the equation of the circle. This circle passing through which point? Twice k and thrice k. Twice k and what? Thrice k. Putting these values in this format put korile to finally at ahi jabo tomar 4k square plus 9k square minus twice k minus thrice k is equal to 0. So finally you have k equal to either 0 or k equal to what? 5 by 13. Okay, and satisfy which one? Which condition? For two values of k, this one D. That is the correct answer. Both are what? Real value. Clear? Now here you consider another question. Okay, question number 4. Actually, when you solve this type of equation, the concept is so important things. Okay, tomar kisman bostu kisman question enekwa dekhiba tumi question bilak de tomar je basic concept or prao tumi question to solution to uliaba para. The extra bahut je kiba eta humai ase tenekwa kono kotha nai tam. Main thing is what? Your concept. Okay, here the given triangle PQR is inscribed in a circle, this one whose center is at origin. Q and R have the coordinates of this one and this one respectively. You have to find the angle QPR. That means when you consider a circle like that, as a circle mo consider koro, one point at center to kot dia ase tomar origin ote dia ase to 0 0 losumo. And 1 point is what? Minus 1 point is what? 3 4 at a point lolo to mo 3 4. This coordinate is what? Q. And another point is what? Minus 4 3. This one we consider what? R. Okay, joining these 2 points you have a chord like that, and there is a point P at a P point as a. Now you have to find the angle QPR. That means this angle you have to find. That is the center to pa moi yada line enake join kori dichu, this one. Okay, that is the coordinate of this point. Now if you have to find a angle to jodi moi uliaba paro, then this one angle always you have to find. Etu moi definitely uliaba parim. Okay, the yar jitu angle hobo tar half of angle etu ahibo definitely. Yar ki hobo? That is the coordinate of this center is what? 0 0. Therefore what is the slope of OQ? Yar slope kiman hobo tomar 4 minus 0 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That means what? 4 by 3. That is the slope. Similarly, slope of this one OR y2 minus y1 3 by what? This one minus 4 ahile. A2 slope ahile 3 by minus 4. This slope is what? 4 by 3. Duita je product kori diu 3 by 4 into what? Minus 3 by 4 into what? 4 by 3. Definitely kiman ahibo tomar this part is equal to what? Minus 1. That means the angle between these two lines is equal to what? 90 degree, perpendicular. If this angle is 90, it is the angle 90 hoy, definitely this angle must be what? 45. Titale a angle to kiman ahi jabo tomar 45 degree. 45 means what? Pi by 4. That is the correct option. এটো তোমাৰ 2019 ত আহিছে ZW and in the question number 5 the equation of this one x square plus y square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0 will represent a real circle under what condition definitely which one B hobo B option why the radius r equal to what root over g square plus f square minus c already I have discussed if the value of g square plus f square minus c greater than equal to 0 then the given equation always represent what real circle otherwise if this part equal to 0 only equal to 0 then this type of circle is known as what point circle okay therefore the correct option is which one B clear it is next question we consider the length of the chord cut off by y equal to twice x plus 1 okay from the circle x square plus y square equal to 2 is what length of the chord cut off y equal to what twice x plus 1 the length of the chord dalar tomar ki uliabo koise tomar length to uliabo koise okay itia tomar so eta circle dia ase in the given circle center 0 0 and the line is what y equal to twice x plus 1 that is the chord this one is what this equation is what y equal to twice x plus 1 okay now from this part if you draw this one at O point lolo this one we consider B a B then this one we consider A here we draw a perpendicular line this one we consider M the line equation of the chord is what twice x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 that means length of OM kiman aibo tomar 2 into 0 minus 0 plus 1 by root over 2 square plus minus 1 square definitely this value is equal to 1 by root 5 okay that this length is what this one is what 1 by root 5 again OB radius from the equation of the circle radius is definitely this one is what root 2 now you can find the value of what MB by using Pythagoras theorem root 2 square minus 1 by root 5 whole square root 2 square minus 1 by what root 2 square means what 2 minus 1 by 5 that means 2 minus 1 by 5 10 minus 1 what 9 by 5 that is the value of what MB therefore AB that is the length of what the chord twice of what MB that means 2 into 9 by 5 okay 2 into what 9 by 5 one point is what this must be a square root it is a square root eta aibo yet ma aibo 3 by root 5 that means 3 by root 5 and the finally you have 6 by root 5 okay the value is what 6 by root 5 the correct option is which one C clear now here we consider another question this one in the JEE 2019 rahise tomar a circle touching the x axis at point 30 ta mane x axis ko touch korise tomar 30 point and making intercept on length 8 making intercept on length what 8 on y axis ta mane y intercept to tomar dia ase 8 units passes through the point okay a circle touching the x axis tele kundu pointer majore tomar ki hoise passes a circle touching the x axis at 30 and making an intercept of the length what 8 on the y axis passes through the point kundu pointer majore e pass hoise ta mane etia ki koribo lego question to pohi eta bostu mon kom pai golo sure tomar x axis ot touch korise touch kora point to moi etu lolo circle to ene kora ke lolo aru make an intercept ta mane y axis or duta point ot katise ta mane intercept of length ta mane a to point p aru q ইয়ার length dia ase tomar 8 units The next you have to find the equation of the circle. Circular equation to ami uliabo bisarim. Uliwar pisot tumi saba je kun gita particular point ahi he equation to satisfy korise, that is the answer of the solution. Okay. Now here we consider that is the x axis and that is the y axis. The given circle touches the x axis at a point 30. Etu point lolu moi 30 point. Okay, this point is what 30. Again, the length of PQ is always what? The length of this portion, length of this one is always what? 8 units. Yalage tomar 8 dia ase, definitely etu length kiman ahi jabo, this one is always what? 4 units. And midpoint ot katibo. Okay. Next, মই তো ৰেডিয়াস তো না জানো, এটো মই r বুলি কনসিডার কৰিলো. If this one is equal to r, এটো তোমাৰ কি হ'ব? তোমাৰ definitely r হ'ব. Okay, আৰু এই পার্টিকুলার পয়েন্ট দিয়া আছে তোমাৰ কিমান দিয়া আছে? তোমাৰ 3 ইউনিটস. এটো কিমান, ইয়াৰ লেংথ তো কিমান পাই গলা? তোমাৰ 4 ইউনিটস পালা. তেতিয়ালে ইয়াৰ যেটো লেংথ পাই গলা এটো অৰিজিন হয়. ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালে লেংথ তো কিমান আছে? 3 ইউনিটস. This one also what? 3 units. From mathematically, this one geometrically you have this angle is equal to what? 90 degree. Each of tomar 90 degree hoy gol. This one, this triangle, kuntu triangle? The triangle what? CDP. This one must be a right angle triangle. If this one is right angle triangle, by using Pythagoras theorem, 4 square 16 plus 9 25, then this one is, this hypotenuse must be equal to what? 5. If this part equal to 5, yar value kiman hobo? Tomar 5 hobo. Same radius. Here पर याला length किमान असले 3. This one is what? 5. Therefore, what is the coordinate of this point? 3 5. That means center of this circle is what? 3 5. Then equation of this circle is what? X minus what? 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. What is the radius? Radius is what? 5 units. That means 5 square means what? 25. That is the equation of this circle. Simply, the which point is this one is satisfied? Eto jodi moi check kori saw, 3 put korile 3 minus 3 is 0, 10 minus 5 what? 5. 5 square ahi gol. Tamane this one is what? 25. Right side is what? 25. This one is always satisfied. If passes through the point dia ase tamane eta point ote par hobo lagibo sure, hekane first option, that is the correct option. No need to verify other portion. Okay, that is the answer of this question. Okay. The next question is what? If the area of an equilateral triangle inscribed in the circle, this one, is 27 root 3. That is the area of the equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle. Okay. Now you have to find the value of C. C value to level. Eto tomar 2019 ot ahise. Ite ki hoyase tomar soa, from the given part there is a circle. Within this circle, there is, we consider an equilateral triangle. Eta equilateral triangle moi yat consider korisu. Okay, that is the center, and that is the median. Okay. You can say this is ortho center or in center, same thing in a circle. Okay, see this point we consider A, this one we consider B, and this one we consider C. Now here we consider radius of this circle, we consider R. Ki boli consider koilo, this one is equal to R, radius to. Okay, the here the given question unknown is what? C. C, that is the unknown. Okay. Now if we draw a perpendicular line on this base, this one we consider D. That to tell this one, that is the angle bisector. Total angle is equal to 60. Therefore, this angle must be is equal to what? 30 degree. This one is always what? 30 degree, and that is the R. And this triangle, this is a perpendicular. This triangle BDC. BDC is a right angle triangle. Is a right angle triangle. Titiya hale a BD value, that is the base and that is the hypotenuse. This angle 90. Titiya hale yar BD length kiman ahi jabo? Length of BD. Yar value ahi jabo tomar R cos of kiman degree ase tomar 30 degree. R cos of 30 degree means what? Root 3 by 2 R ahile. Etu kar value ahile? length of what? BD. Similarly, তোমাৰ যদি মই DC value উলিয়াম DC equal to what? R of what? Sine of what? 30 degree. এটো কাৰ value ওলালে তোমাৰ DC value. DC or CD, same meaning. Therefore, CD is equal to this one is what? R by 2. Sin 30 equal to half. This value is equal to R by 2. এটো R by 2 পালা আৰু BD value কিমান পালা? √3 by 2R. এই পাৰ্টটো আমি পাই গলো। এতিয়া এই দুটা বস্তু ক্লিয়াৰ হৈ গল তোমাৰ। তে AD value কিমান পাই গলা from this part? AD, length of AD, this one is R, আৰু এই পাৰ্টটো পাই গলা CD value পাই গলা তোমাৰ R by 2, R plus R by 2 thrice R by 2, that is the value of AD. And BC means what? Twice of BD, that is the midpoint. Okay, তেতিয়াহলে BD value কিমান পাইছিলা? √3 by 2, 2 into √3 by 2R. That means you have √3R. You can mathematically, geometrically you have like that. Again, the area of a triangle ABC. You can use property of area of a triangle in a equilateral triangular property use koribo para, but direct ami use korile half into base. Base means what? BC, and altitude is what? AD. Area of a triangle is equal to what? 27 √3, and half base BC is equal to what? √3R, and AD is equal to what? Thrice R by 2. তেতিয়ালে 3 আৰু এটোৱে কৰিলে তোমাৰ 9 হৈ গল, √3 cancel গল, R square equal to what? 36. That means R equal to what? 6. Radius কিমান পাই গলা? Radius is equal to 6. Again, from the given equation of the circle is what? X square plus y square plus 10x plus 12y plus 5c equal to 0. From this part, you have g equal to what? 5, and f is equal to what? 6. That is the value of c. And the radius is equal to what? Radius R equal to what? Root over g square plus f square minus c. R value put kori dim. What is the value of R? R equal to, you have 6. Root over g square means what? 25. F square means what? 36 minus what? 5c. Square korile 36 cancel gol. C is equal to what? 5. Okay, what is the answer? The C is equal to what? 5. The correct option is which one? First one maybe. That is the answer of this question.